Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So in today's lesson we are going to see how we are going to pronounce these words ending in ed. Here we have the word ended and with ed is pronounced as id. Is pronounced as id. And this is watched. Here ed is pronounced as t. So the ed has three pronunciation: id, t and d. 1, 2 and 3. So guys, if the letter is T or D before ed, we pronounce the ed as id. Another, if it is P, F, K, CH, SH, GH, TH, double S, C or X, we pronounced ed as T. Another, if it is L, M, N, G, R, V, Z, B, S, W, Y, so we pronounced ed as D. D. Okay, so here we have needed. Need ends in D, so we pronounce ed as id. Here is L, helped, P, so we pronounced it as T. Help, called, L, so we pronounced it as D. Called. Loud, it ended with V, so we pronounced it D. Loud. Wanted, it ends with T, so we pronounced it id. Wanted. So guys,